Okay, on the that side is the box method, and this side I'm just going to use pulling away from the box. So I got to look for something that's going to add to my middle term but multiply out to here. Multiples of 64 are 2 and 30, 2, 16 and 4, 8 and 8. Well, what will give me to 16? Well, this 8 and 8. But if they're both negative, they both add to a negative 16. When I multiply them, I'll get to a positive 64. So I get x minus 8, and over here I get an x minus an 8. So here's another example using it that way. So 20, what will multiply to 20? 10 and 2, 20 and 1, 5 and 4. Well, which values will I get to a 9? 10 and 2, I can never do it. 20 and 1, I can't do it. These two I can, but it needs to be a negative. So if those are both negative, negative and a negative make a positive, so I can multiply to a positive 20. I add to a negative 9, factors into an x minus 5, x minus 4. Over here, use the same thing. I got to add to the middle term, multiply to the last term. Well, what are multiples of 14? 7 and 2, 14 and 1. Well, how can I get to a negative 5? 14 and 1, I can't ever do it. So I need a negative 5 and a positive 2. Those add together to give me a negative 5. So I get p minus 7, and then I get p plus 2. So you do the same thing inside of your box. I'm just pulling away from the box.